Marquez here, local chiropractor, Back Pain Relief Center. Brittany is back for her second adjustment. Just feeling a little bit of tightness through there, so we're going to do a general neck, upper back, and lumbar adjustment. All right, let's go face down for me, Brittany. So I'm going to do a little bit of muscle work here on you. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on these muscles, and what I'm trying to do is just loosen this whole area up, so when we manipulate her neck and upper back, it goes a little easier. So just lift your head and look this way 5 times for me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay. And what I'm doing is putting pressure on the trigger points, which a lot of people get from overuse, like working on the computer too much or driving around. Okay. One more time, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to do the other side. Okay, look this way for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one last time. 5 times. 1. So if you ever heard of trigger point therapy, this is what we're doing. Some people might call it active release. Good. All right. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to use this handheld adjusting instrument. And what we're doing is just going up the spine, loosening up the joints, breaking up any adhesions that may be there. It just allows for an easier adjustment. All right. Any tenderness in there?
A little.
A little bit? Okay, I want you to lay on your side, face me. So we're going to do a lumbar adjustment next. Okay, I'm going to kind of move it this way. And bend the top leg. All right. And then we're going to manipulate her low back, so maybe we'll come around this side for me. Okay, we're just going to adjust, right? 1, 2, 3. Nice and light. Good. Okay, other side. Good. This way. This way. Good. Okay, on your back for me, please. Okay, next we're going to adjust your neck or a cervical adjustment. Okay, nice and light. Okay, come on up. We'll sit on the edge there. Okay, we're going to cross your arms. We're going to do an upper thoracic adjustment. Remember, all these adjustments are just to decompress the joints, allow for better range of motion, takes pressure off the muscles and nerves. Okay, chin down. I'm going to lay you back. We'll keep your chin to your chest. We're just going to squeeze you a little bit. Good. One more time. That's all it is. All right. Thanks, everybody, for watching. If you want to see more, you can go to our YouTube channel, Dr. Ray TV, or any one of our websites, myrtlebeachwalkinchiro.com or backpainrc.com. Thanks for watching.